Hello, good day everyone. How are you all today? My name is Hussein and I'm back again to bring you all the weekly updates and forecasts for the Forex and also for the stock market. I hope you all are doing fine. And I will also like to say thanks to all of you for giving us a great support in terms of watching our videos and also following up with our signals and also our daily forecast. I believe that it has been very profitable and very useful for you. All right. And for this week, as usual, we will be having our daily live London session forecast, which is on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, whereby you will be learning and also finding the right spots of taking positions on the currency pairs and also the stock market structures of some of the stock market in terms of right setups that will be giving you risk to reward ratio as like from day to day. As like for those who have been joining us, you see that we will be helping you to find the right entry, the exact entry levels, exit levels, and also take profit levels. All right, so doing a quick review on weekly updates, like what is going to happen this week. All right, we will just be going to our economic calendar as usual. So we have got a data coming out from the consumer confidence of USA, which we believe definitely it is going to be the negative territory because of the consumer confidence has dropped. So all in all, overall, if you see that this will be in the red zone, and I see that American dollar will be weaker after the news of the consumer confidence. Then we have got Bank of Canada Governor Stephen Powell speaks, which will be having an impact on the CAD pairs. And moving on to we have got a Fed BG book coming out, which is basically on the 28th of May. Overall, it is about the 12 Federal Reserve banks. They actually discuss all the overall economical situation, how to do and what to do in a way to stabilize the economy and what measures needs to be taken to provide stimulus plans and so on and so forth, right? So that will be having a meeting also on the 20th May. So looking ahead, we will be seeing more comments from there. We see if they are going to provide any further stimulus to boost the economy or to get through this pandemic, right? Then we have got GDP from USA, which I believe that it will be in the negative territory. And we also have got let's have a look. We also have got GDP coming out from Canada, all right, which will be having impact on the Canadian dollar. And then we have got once again Fed Chair Powell speaks about his testimony on the economical circumstances, right? So this will be having an impact also on the stock market and also on the forex market. Now looking ahead on the current structure and the price actions, right, I will just get started first with the Dow Jones Industrial Average. All right, looking ahead the current structure on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, what do we expect this week and what could be the forecast? All right, looking ahead, I see that Dow Jones Industrial Average is forming a pattern which is a bullish rectangle. I see that this is going to the upside, and also on the H4 time frame, right, I see that this pair is this market is going to go up. So the forecast for this week is to the upside, right? And looking at for S&P 500, S&P 500 similarly will be having the same impact, similar impact, as much as it will be having an impact on the Dow Jones Industrial Average, because you see the current structure and the pattern itself is giving us the clue and the direction that this market wants to push higher from this level, right? So we will be seeing that it has already found support here, all right? So that's where it has found support, and we're going to see a push to the upside. Looking ahead for USD Canadian, let's just say have a look on the currency pairs. I see that USD CAD pair has a bit of room to be pushed to the upside until it will find its way. So I see that as soon as this will be reaching to this zone, all right, which is around here, then we're going to see a pull back down to the downside for this pair. However, if at all it breaks this resistance, then we're going to see a more room coming to the upside, which is very less likely in USD CAD. So we will wait and see what happens next on this. However, our daily forecast, our daily trading signals will be helping you a lot to look into the markets with more profitable manner. Euro USD, we had a nice rally down. All right, I spoke about it last week that we're going to see a push up and then we're going to see a push down. What we can actually look at for now, I see that this pair might push up a little, and then it will come back down. All right, so that could be the direction. However, it could be also coming back down from here. So this could be two scenarios or situations that we'll be looking at in the Euro USD. Now moving on to GBP USD, which has been really under pressure lately, sterling, and I see that most of the GBP pairs, let me just find, oh, it should be the other side. Okay, so I need to find GBP USD. Where is it right now? So for GBP CAD, I still see that this pair should have more room to the downside. However, there could be a corrective structure, and I pull back up, and then waist down. So I need to find GBP USD here. Okay, so we can actually check from here GBP USD. All right, so looking ahead for GBP USD, there are two scenarios that we're looking at for this pair. I see that if, let's say, this week this pair, there could be two situations that we're going to look at. Is that either from here now, it's either going to complete this pattern here to the downside, or if at all it breaks this channel, that we're going to see a room to the upside. So however, on an intraday basis, of course, the structure will change, and we'll be coming up with our more analysis from time to time. As for today, if the price breaks below this level, then we will see a room to the downside, right? CAD JPY, I see that potentially this pair is going to pull back up to the upside on the current structure and the price section. So I see that this week this will be pushing up, right? So this is what direction actually we're looking at for CAD JPY. And then for more pairs, like obviously from time to time, I mean, like from tomorrow onwards, like I mentioned before, we will be having more forecast in which you can actually look into your more setups and trade better and also profitable, right? So I see that in the economic calendar, we don't have much economical data that will be actually having an impact in the forex market much, but we will be following up more on the price section, how the market will be responding. See, looking at AUD USD, I'm just waiting for the right movement when this pair will actually comes down. So for today, I see that if this pair is going to break this level below, then we will see a room to the downside. Like I mentioned before, from time to time structure changes. From day to day the market behaves differently. So from time to time we'll be coming up with analysis daily that will be very useful for you, right? So I'm gonna sign off now for a quick review of the week, so that you can actually plan ahead your trades. Right, we'll be looking for a lot of setups, we'll be looking for a lot of opportunities to trade together and also profitable, right? So for now I'll be signing off, and stay tuned for our weekly updates, for our further updates which will be helping you to become profitable there. And also I would like to wish all our followers, all our traders, Selamat Hari Raya once again. I really hope you all having a good time and spending good time with your family members, and we'll be having this week with a lot of happiness and family time to be spent together. All right, so that till then, take care, and I'll be seeing you guys soon for our upcoming videos.